on Facebook?
Okay, like I started generating money on Facebook since 2023, August 21st. Yes, I still remember the day.
Still remember the day?
Yeah, but I have to remember the day because like it was kind of crazy experience, man.
And how much was your first payment?
The first amount that I got paid on Facebook, it was $389
From all your content, or?
from one video, you understand?
Oh, wow.
And at that time I was still lost. I didn't know what was happening, you understand? But the notification kept on coming. Zingixelela into yoba ngabana mandigqibezele i-tax information yami wara nami ke namana ndinyola until where I came to the point whereby okay, let me go and do myself a tax number. Ndifumana le Swift code kudala ifumana because andiyifumani ku-internet ndizama uyisearcha i-Swift code kaCapitec, ndayifumana nyani kwaCapitec, ndafaka into zamu efundini within 5 days yangena imali 7,000. I was like, hey, imali engaka? You understand? I was so shocked, bro. I was so shocked. I don't wanna lie. I still even have the video to celebrate a million views.
On the road to 1 million views, my nigga. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just think about it, from 215 followers to 3,000 followers and getting paid 7,000. I still remember that's on the Bugeli podcast Meg G, podcast and chill with Meg G and Soil. Babe interview Wisha William Last KRM. Yes, so that guy was telling the audience podcast and chill. But yes, it is possible to generate money on Facebook because now you generate a money on Facebook and he's getting paid by ads on Reels and in stream on ads and by getting stars from people. So I was like, damn, ndingayenza njani man lewe, ndingayenza njani, because I also wanna get paid, you understand? So yeah man, umfutho wami ndawufumana pha ndaqalisa yoba okay, let me just do something, you understand, because I didn't even have a content at that time. I didn't know what to do at that time, you understand. I had no ideas. That I came across to Snoopy Dogg's Instagram account, and then when I saw his Instagram account, I was like, damn, most of the time this guy is posting hilarious videos, you understand, where people are laughing and stuff, and then people are engaging to those videos. So I saw, oh, this is a strategy I should use to raise my page so that I can get paid one day. I didn't know it's gonna happen that fast, you know. It's more like it was overnight. I can say it was overnight because it happened so fast, brother.
Was it that video of that high roster?
Yeah, i-video yenkukhu ezitshintsango dog, yabo.
Honestly speaking, I didn't expect that video to go that big, yabo. But yeah, man, we are here now. Those are two separate videos, yabo. The first video is the video that I took myself. The second video of the rooster doing that annoying sound, yabo, is a video that I saw on a WhatsApp status of a friend of mine. I then took the video. Then the other day when I was feeding my chickens weed, I took a video trying to show people the good impact of feeding chickens weed. Feeding the chickens weed doesn't make them high. It adds some of the vitamins in their body, man. It's healthy for them. They like it. That's why it's called umthunzi wenkukhu. They sit under the tree and then eat that. I like how people reacted to the video, and I like how the video is doing, because I managed to make 3,000 plus people laugh, you know, and that's a good thing, because I mean, we're going through a lot these days, so we deserve to be happy and we deserve to laugh, you know. So yeah, I'm proud of myself by doing that.
That's when I knew, but yeah, I can generate income on Facebook now, but the only thing I need is to make a video that's gonna trend, you understand. So that's when I told myself, you know what, man, beke inhloni aside, ngibeke nesi sidima ndizama uba naso aside, because asinisebenzeli esi sidima nenhloni azinisebenzele njena zinifakela imali ezwe. That's whereby ke ko Rasta we country came. But andivelanga ndide gqinde ngo Rasta we country, you understand, ndithe gqi ndingurasta, like ndisenza like i-comedy, like ndithanda uhlekisa abantu.
Yes, gents. And you ndafuna ukuqwalaselwa man ngala majita siyuzayo man. Umjita ufumanise ngexesha broke abengenamali. Mfethu into enyosha abana siza kuwe mfethu understand man edikana nawe apha every day. Mfethu thanda namntana bawara mfethu nyanyane mfethu lapha kuhati mfethu. Wena Rasta mina ngiyasiza ngikuthulunye ngempama.
That's where insult ndizifumane khona kakhulu, because abantu bebendithuka awuhlekise da. Knowing very well mina my aim ayikho ukuhlekisa. My aim is to generate money on Facebook, you understand. And then there was this day ke ndisehlathini, because benungumuntu ozihambela ehlathi kakade ndisehlathini. Ndayicinga uba okay, let me just tell people about i-jade plant, i-wonders of i-jade plant. The rest was history, but
Have you ever wondered why le plant igcwele nje kuzo zonke malls zabelungu abene-businesses kuzo? Have you ever asked yourself why nje le plant igcwele nje ezindlini zabelungu? Khathi ke ndikucacisele uba why. Igama lale plant iqala siyibiza thina amaXhosa ngoba ligwanisha. Abelungu bona bathi yi-jade plant, baphinde bathi yi-money plant. Le plant, it attracts positive energies and good energies only. Oluku uhlobo le-jade plant.
What's the highest amount you generated so far?
the big amount of money that I've made, 29,000. Give
This
video.
amount from one video also?
Yeah, like I would say, if video A1 that made me generate that money. Give video A1, I made 29,000. Yeah. I'll not dibanisa like every money that I've generated on Facebook. Yeah, it's over 100 and something thousand. Yeah. 100 and something thousand. Yeah, and the aim is to make 1 million, man. In fact, is to make millions, and we're gonna get there. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's possible to generate income on Facebook, man. As I always said, I've been saying it to people, it's possible to make dollars when you are here in Mzansi.
Imizuleqi rands wena. Uzifaka emngcuphekweni wento yoba ngabana ungaze wenza imali ngedollars or wenza imali ngezinye currency. Soloko wenza imali ngerands wena because intoni uleqe phepha. Kanti xa uleqe frequency uzifaka kwiposition yoba ngabana mawenze imali not just ngerands okanye ngokwanle ndawo uhlala kuyo wenza imali like worldwide. Ntoni le ibaluleke ngezi animals zibekwe emalini? Why ezinye animals zingabekwa ngemalini? Why ungasoze uyifumana imali kukho i-crocodile kuyo? Why kukho i-springbok? Why kukho i-rhino? Why kukho indlovu? Why kukho specific animals? Why like kungekho ezinye animals? Ask yourself that. Kwezinye imali kukho i-plants. Why kukho eza plants ekhaya? Why kungekho ezinye plants? Ask yourself that.
I've been plugging people about games that you can play online and generate money, but people don't want to listen, and abantu basoloko be ready for uxeka, and then abantu basoloko be ready for ujonga ba le message ndiyifumana kubani unantoni yena wenze ntoni elifini. Iyabachana abantu lonto leyo ngoba bangela abantu bangakwazi ukufumana ubulumko, bathi sebufumene ubulumko bangabumameli because ufuna ujonga ba unantoni ukwenza ntoni elifini. All to find out lo muntu uxelelayo senokwenzeka use-business investments. Umuntu business investment, that doesn't mean akananto. Just because engakabe nanto ibambe kade, that doesn't mean akananto, because imali yakhe iyakhula bhuti, iyakhula. It's more like unegadi la muntu ulimile ubukele izityalo zakhe zikhula. You understand? Isende nabantu babe lost ba unantoni wena wenza ntoni. You understand? All to find out when you are a plug. Andithi makuthina ndithi kutheni, but sukuthi xa usiva information emntwini ofuna ujonga la muntu yena unantoni. Take that information so nokwenza uThixo uthumele la muntu athethe kwenze kuzophila wena. So yeah man, abantu babethekele njalo kum. Yabona ngoku like into ze monetization on Facebook, they are a bit tricky, bro. Back then ngela xesha bemplug abantu, it was very easy to get monetized on Facebook. Bengafuneki wenze izinto ze challenges ngoku and stuff, like it was very easy to get monetized on Facebook, but now it's very tricky because there are many content creators now. Yeah man. Abantu abaclose kum bangakuxelela because bayalibona utshintsho. You understand, zikhona izinto endizithenga ezibana lapha ku-content ndibonisa abantu like xana ndithenga something, but most of the money is iya ku-investment, bro. I always think about, most of the time I think about the future. You understand? And then yes, I think about the future and prepare the future is in the presence. I know if ever I'm doing good habits right now, my future is safe, dog. So most of the money is going to investments. Yeah. Investments is no plug about like the simplest investments and ngekho risky or whatsoever. Iya kwa Nedbank kanye do research ngebhanka xa ufix deposit imali yakho ngeyiphi ne-interest rate ezininzi. From my side ngu-Nedbank and TymeBank, you understand? So faka imali yakho, faka mhlambi i-10,000 yakho or 50,000 yakho ka-Nedbank for 5 years or for 10 years. Masitsho ba una 20 ngokufaka 50,000 ka-Nedbank for 10 years. After 10 years, bro, uzabuna 30 wena. So xa una 30, just think about it, la 50,000 zabe seyikwenzele emalini. depend on the interest rate. It's not about thinking of uba xa une 50,000 ufuna ukuyitye ngoku iphele ngoku, because uphela kwayo ngoku after 10 years awuzoba nanto. But if ever investile ngoku mhlawumbi uzawusokola ngoku, but after 10 years uzawuba sisikhulu wena, ugcwalisela abantu bekugcwalisela now. So don't just think about the now, think about the now and think about the future. So yeah man, it's very important to invest and save your money. It's either you make short-term investments or long-term investments. Most people they like short-term investments. They don't prioritize long-term investments. But ubabona uShoprite besamile namhlanje noSpar besamile namhlanje, it is because of their long-term investments. All those big companies samile nje namhlanje, it is because of long-term investments. If ever ubukela lo video, don't sleep on long-term investments. Stop living kwinto yoba ngabana hayi ingomso andilazi. Ewe ulazi ingomso, but sulicingele ekufeni ingomso, licingele nasekukhuleni nasekuphileni ingomso. Themba zasokulicingele ekufeni ingomso. Njengoba ungalazi ingomso, if ever usolekanga uzawuthini? Uzawuhlupha abantu uma ucela abantu imali, uma usokolisa abantu ube wena unga-investanga. Also think about long-term investments as much as you think about short-term investments. That's how it is. Investment is the key, man. Starting your own business or selling something, or invest your money kwabantu abasene business, or buying shares for that matter. Yeah, I didn't want to get into deep about the things that I'm doing, you understand, for myself, but I'm just plugging people like kwezi unozenza now. You can buy shares, yes. When 15,000, 10,000, you can buy shares. There are companies as abantu bothenga shares. It doesn't matter the amount of percentage you have, as long as you have shares there. Sizawukhula as time goes. After 10 years, u-10% wakho sekhulile, close to 15% or 20%. It depends now uba ungumuntu onjani and how can you handle your percentage. You understand? So yeah, man, invest, man. It's all about investments. Let's invest. Especially you, black child. All your life you've been told to go to school and you were never taught about investments, long-term investments. So it's high time for us to teach ourselves about long-term investments. Thanks to shout out to my mother for plugging me about Nedbank, because we're pangala on Nedbank. She's the one who told me about investing on Nedbank. In fact, she's the one who forced me to invest on Nedbank. You understand? Yeah. So I did my own research about Time Bank. Even Nagwa Capitec, ikhona lanto like i-main account, kubekho la account lapha ezantsi webhayibuna ufake 1,000 rand qho xa kumane kungena imali iyazikhulela la mali. So like
normalize having i-jade plant kwindawo nebhizinesi kuyo okanye kwindawo ohlala kuyo. Lo umthi ngumntu wemali lo. Andithandi ukwenza ividiyo ndiphethe imali, but ndifuna unibonisa xa ndithetha ngento ye-jade plant iyaphila le nto, yinto endiyenzayo mna kuqala, andithethi ngento endingayenziyo bethu.